You're watching MTV. My name is Brooke, and welcome to my crib. Let's go check it out. So, a lot of people ask me, Brooke, why do you need such a big house? But, it's because I got these two Mr. Meeseeks that I live with, so you gotta have room for all the friends. They hang out. This is their wing of the house. Follow me down here into the kitchen. It's where I keep all my food. All the good stuff here. Stuff that'll keep you real fueled up for a late night of hunting. Now, follow me this way. We'll check out the living room. As you can see, I'm a big fan of Penny from The Big Bang Theory, so I decorated my living room with her image, as well as the outside of my house, 'cause she's the bomb. Anyway, to complement this beautiful one-of-a-kind art piece of Penny, I have various throw pillows to also spruce up the living arrangement. Last but not least, the last room I have to show you is the bedroom. It's my favorite. It's super cozy. This nice king-size sleeping bag is the perfect place to take a break during the late-night hunting sessions. I sleep so well here. It's the bomb. So anyway, thanks for coming to visit, guys. It's been a pleasure having you here.